Okay, I got my mini drill press in, and you can see it's mini when you see the size of this box. So we're gonna do an unboxing here and check it out. Well, they packaged it up nicely. Now, this bad boy was supposed to have a little vise with it too. I sure hope it does, because that's the reason I bought it. Now, this is not a very expensive vise. It's pretty cheap. And very little, as you can see. And it came with Dremel parts and pieces, so it apparently runs a little Dremel as well. The Dremel light tool. Oh, there it is. That's what I wanted. Okay. So it's got this little vise. So you can put whatever you want to drill in it and hold it in place. Pretty neat. I'm sure you can put it this way if you wanted to, or this way, or this way. You just got to figure that out. And all kinds of little Dremel pieces, sandpaper, polishing, brass brushes, more drill bits. But I have one of these that connects to my Dremel just like this, so I really don't need this. But it's cool to have, I guess, in case you need one. Apparently it has 7 speeds that you can control right here on this power supply. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing put together. Nice. Get a little bit of oil on there. Test out the speeds. Okay, we're gonna start slow. Oh man, we're moving all over. Now you don't want to push too hard. Put a tad bit of oil on there. It had a little bit still on there, but we're going to put a little more. And just take my time, not press too hard. I don't want to move it. You can see I'm hitting that pin for sure. And that's what I want to do, is hit that pin without tearing the rest up. Now you don't want to put too much pressure on here and break the bit or anything. You just take your time. Yeah, we're drilling through it pretty good now. Okay, great. And that's all I want to do with this knife pin. Let's just get it started there. And you see how I did get that smaller size. I'm not perfectly in the center, but now I'm just going to get a punch and try to punch that pin down a little bit. Try and push it through. This one ought to work to get her started a little better. Okay, we're gonna try something else. Okay, sometimes you just gotta be creative. So I got a little Dremel bit here. Now it might break, but we'll figure it out. Oh, we got her. That did the trick. Little machine here did an amazing job. It did what I wanted it to, that's for sure. So this is on eBay. It's a mini grinder, or a mini drill. And it cost me $70 with all the attachments that come with it and the little vise. And, you know, it's not perfect, but it's did the trick, and that's all I needed it to do. This is just a little junk knife here. I was going to put some new grips on it, but truthfully, it just ain't worth it to me. I'm going to find something to like a little bit better. Hope you guys like this video. Hopefully it helps y'all up. I appreciate you watching. If you want to see me do a couple knife restores that I've done so far, check out my other videos. Do knife polishing and restores and unboxings, tools I use. Gonna do a bunch of reviews. I appreciate it, guys, and have a great day today.